Hi everyone. So suppose there are some contacts and for a one specific contact I want to swap the contact, meaning like I want to make this surface as my master surface and this surface as my slave surface. So how to do it easily in HyperMesh? Just go to this again this model and this contact browser and just go to the contact where you want to swap the surfaces. Means master surface will become your slave surface and slave surface will become your master surface, and just go to this right click and swap main and secondary. So you can see this surfaces have changed now. So this is how you can do it in the new HyperMesh. For old HyperMesh, just go to here, view contact browser, and whatever the contact you want to swap. So this contains this is my slave surface and this is my master surface. I want to swap this. I'll just go to right click and select swap master and slave. So this slave master and slave got swapped. So this is how you can do it in the old HyperMesh. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.